Hey everybody, it's been a long time, but I just had another granddaughter born, and so I had to make a baby book. Wanted to share my book with you. The main papers that I used were the Authentique Swaddle Collection Girls Pad and Pebbles. And I'm not sure what the kind is. It says Night Night on it. I don't know if that's the kind. Anyway, my daughter wanted something with foxes, and so I used foxes, and the other theme was the father's mother passed away before the baby was born, and so she never got to meet her grandmother, and she's kind of symbolized throughout the book as a dragonfly. So anyway, without further ado, I'll just jump right in. I also used a lot of wallpaper samples. That's what's on the background here. These are just cut out letters from a Tim Holtz die, and I did several layers of them so they'd be nice and thick. And then the punch art I got from different, actually I didn't use any one particular person's thing. I just looked at a picture of several of them and figured it out with the punches that I had. The binding is simple. It's just stack the deck. I think Laura from Follow the Paper Trail taught us this a long time ago, and I've been using it ever since. Anyway, open it up, and I have a little stamp that I found these cards too, and they're called, the life planner stuff. Anyway, I found a bunch of them that had dragonflies on them, and so I bought the whole set, and it was perfect because then I didn't have to cut out a bunch of little tags and cards. I could use those for the set. So each page has a punch art animal, and then on the inside is usually a little something, and then these two little tags, as you can see, dragonflies. And I just punched tags out from tab holders from the paper collection to go with it. And then each one has a little pull out that you open, and inside they each have the month. And I flip it over, and it's month number 2. And I love the way this looks. I did alternating trims on the little tabs that pull out, the tags that pull out, and so I just love the way it looks when it's open. It's really pretty. So this is just the end of the first page. When I open this up, I have the top and the bottom, and I will put the name of the woman who came up with how to do this. It was her technique. She did it on like a travel log album that she made, and I really like it because it gives you the pockets that you can use, and then you obviously have some surface area here, and you have this plus this, and so it gives you a lot of room to work with. So I'm going to kind of go quickly through the rest of this because I don't really have anything to hold my camera, so it's going to be not the best video, but here you go. So again, these are from the paper collection, and I just love the little artwork on the Authentique paper collection. It's so pretty, and I just glued down a little tab. And that life planning, and I'm sorry, I don't remember the name of it, but the life planning stuff had big tags and small tags that all were color coordinated, so that was super cool, and it went very well with the papers that I had. And then, of course, my hippo with the little googly eyes. And then you'll see that I found some wallpaper samples that have dragonflies on them. And then I just printed out the months 3 and 4, and I had a Stampin' Up! Stamp that did the circle, and I had a month and date stamp set that let me do the rest. So take care of that, and then flip it over. This page is just blank for a picture. And then it goes to Hush Little Baby and some beautiful little dragonflies. This is just again, one of these little note cards, and I like this one because it has the when, what, the where, what, when on the back, so you can keep tabs on all the stuff that's going on with baby's development. And of course, more dragonflies. And I love this. This is actually at the top of the paper, it says, "Let me love you a little more before you're not little anymore." And of course, a punch art monkey. He's pretty cute. Month 5, and this is all from the paper collection. And month 6, and I love that. That's really pretty. And then flip it over, and then this is just blank for a big picture. These are cool. I cut them out of that picture of the Pebbles paper that I used. A bunch of these have calendars on them so they can record specific dates, and I loved that. And then this is again another one that's just blank so you can take notes, but it went really well with the paper, and I love this. It's just so cute. This is from the Authentique collection paper, and I cut out the little tabs in matching colors, and I love it. And then obviously this one's a lion. I like my punch art lion. I actually use acorn punches to come up with his mane, and I think they look really cute. So there's some more from the paper collection. Month 7, and I flip that over, and I get month 8. That was actually some paper from my stash that just went really well with it. And then she has a older brother, so I made a page for brotherly love, so they have some pictures of them together. And then this one is a skunk, and I think he turned out pretty cute, Mr. Pepe Le Pew here. And another image from the Pebbles paper, and some more of the cards of life, or whatever they're called. And I think the back part is, this is all, a bunch of these are wallpaper samples, which I loved, that came in coordinating colors. Again, more of the dragonflies, so month 9, and then you open it up. I like that paper a lot too. And then month 10, and it's got little baby sing-along songs on it. I flip it over, and again, it's just a blank for pictures. Then Enchanted to Meet You from the Pebbles paper. Some more of these dragonfly cards. This is just a blank one with space to take journal notes on the back. And then I did this, was just cute. Little Go Wild with the colored in that goes with the giraffe on the front here. And then months 11. And month 12. And if I open this up, oops, I just realized a little tag's missing. Anyway, love new baby. And then there's a little journaling spot, and this is a journaling spot too. Oh, that's what's missing. There's a little thing for a picture in this one. And then, oh, I know what it is. It's the tag that says happy birthday, because it's her first birthday. And then the back is just another picture from the Authentique paper. And this part's blank for the last picture as well. And I tried to keep it pretty simple. I'm giving her a bunch of tags and things so that she can put together herself the way she wants it to look. But you can see that there's plenty of room in here with that Stack the Deck binding that Laura Dennison does, that I really like, because it gives you plenty of room to put stuff in it, and it won't mess up the back. But anyway, so that's for my new little wild thing, Helen Catherine. She was born the day before yesterday, and so I got to get this in the mail. But thanks for watching. If you guys have any questions, or if you liked the video, please subscribe to my channel. And by the way, if there's certain things you want more information on, just leave a question down below. Thanks.